Hello everyone, this is trainee Rajat Nirala, DLED 2018 4th semester. In this video, we will know about the advancement of Cubs and Bulbul from Pravesh to Pratham Charan and Komal Pank. Here we go. First of all, we should know about the Bharat Scout and Guide at a glance, which is spread it all over the India. Its headquarters is in New Delhi and established in 7th November 1950. Its president is Dr. Anil Jain, and the very first stage is the bunnies, age between 3 to 5 years. Motto: keep smiling. And its law: I shall try to be a good girl and a good boy. After that, Cubs and Bulbul, age between 5 to 10 years. Motto: do your best. And the third stage is Scout and Guide, age between 10 to 17 years. Motto: be prepared. After that, Robbers and Rangers, age between 15 to 25 years. Motto: service. Coming to our topic, the eligibility to become a cub must be a citizen of India, age between 5 to 10 years, work for 3 months for the satisfaction of cub master and before becoming as a cub. There is a requirement of Pravesh be able to tell the first jungle story, understand the meaning of cub law, motto, cub promise, cub greetings, demonstrate correctly cub salute, left hand shake, offer daily prayers as told by parents, do daily good turn at home, be able to sing cub prayer. He then make cub promise to the cub master is invested as a cub. Now he is eligible to wear a cub uniform and a membership badge. A Pravesh cub will work at least for 3 months to qualify for a Pratham Charan. Now the Pratham Charan testing. A cub know how to keep personal effects, learn to pray before meal, do daily turn at home and school, do some sort of exercises, do some sort of physical activities like balance walk, throw and catch a ball from 3 meters, make a collection of 5 different leaves and flowers, and paste and level them in a scrapbook, be able to tell time by clock, know some sort of notes like wiping tie, reef note, club note, etc. Demonstrate any three of the following activities like climbing a tree, riding a bicycle safely, what to do when national flag is flown and the national anthem is sung or played, find out the meaning of badge given at the time of investiture, use of basic communication devices like telephone, BEF phone, internet, be able to sing cup prayer, national anthem, and Bharat Scout and Guide flag song, be able to tell the jungle story up to cars hunting, know jungle dance, balu and car dance, attend at least 8 packed meetings, be able to tell the name and address and the telephone and mobile number of their parents. These sort of testing tools are organized to test the cub and bulbul. On completion of test, a Pravesh cub shall be awarded the Pratham Charan badge by the local association of district association, as the case may be on the recommendation of cub master. It will be worn above the Bharat Scout and Guide name strip or at the same place on a jersey. And the same testing process is organized for the Komal Pank. Have a look on Pratham Charan badge. It is a 5 pointed star printed over a blue strip, and here is a Komal Pank. I hope you people enjoyed the video. Thank you.